excellent off-the-line feel. Hello there everyone, welcome back. Today we are driving the 2023 Honda Civic Si. Let's fire her up and begin the test drive. I really like the styling of the new Civic. I think it's bold, aggressive, and they made a small car look so nice. Kudos to Honda for doing that. But at night, I definitely feel like they took the light inspiration from the BMW 3 Series, because sometimes you can actually mix them up at night when you look in your rearview mirror. But let's take a look at the back seat. So hopping in the back, we are treated to very comfy seats. I'm 6'2". There's lots of space for me. Headroom, legroom feels wonderful. We got the cup holders. And these seats look sporty. I like the style, the red stitching. This is hard plastic, so no soft touch material here. I like this carbon trim. Or aluminum trim, whatever they call it. I think it's actually like a carbon inspired trim. Let's look at the trunk. Good sized trunk. You can definitely fit in a few suitcases in there. And let's look at the engine now. So under the engine we have the 4-cylinder turbo. This one has the 6-speed manual to give you that extra sporty driving feel. But let's look at this cabin. I like how Honda made these red and black with the stitching, with the center, all these red inspirations, these lines. I think it's a great design cue. And the cabin here looks attractive. We have Audi inspired gauges, USBs, a phone pad, storage, cup holders. It's great that they made the black headliner. It really blends with the style of this car. As far as the screen, I've always had a gripe against the screen. I just feel like it's pointed away from me for some reason. Like I wish it was tilted more to me. We got the Bluetooth, the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all our basic features. I don't think this one has the navigation system though, no. But let's do a quick wiper test. And let's get going. A beepy little horn. And we also have the Bose audio system in this trim. I really like Bose. They make great speakers. Even Mercedes, Infiniti, Audi all use Bose, or some models still do. But I think they switched from that. The seats feel great. They are supportive, reasonably soft. The visibility is perfect. We can see everything around us. I don't see any major blind zones. Excellent power. We get up to speed really easily. I also like how planted this Civic is. The handling is superb. You can just feel like the car is glued to the road. But before we proceed with our test, let's do a quick 0 to 60 and see what we can do. All right. Excellent off the line feel. Very good. Very good. Let's see what we did. So we did 0 to 60 in 7.77 seconds. Obviously we had some wheel spin for a bit and it was valid. We also did 0 to 62 in 8.1. Not bad. But let's do this one more time and see if we can do any better. All right, so 3, 2, 1. Let's go. It moves very well after 60, like it has excellent pickup. So we did, this time a little bit slower, 8 seconds, and the 1/8 mile came at 10.42, almost 73 miles per hour. Very good times. Obviously, if we had better traction, warmer weather, and a little better road, we could probably do low 7s. But it's not even the point. The point is that the trap speed is really good. It could probably trap around 74, 75 on a good day. What I really like in the Civic is the shifter, the gearbox. The clutch pedal has excellent feel. The gears are spaced out properly. And it's so easy to feel what you're doing. The boost comes down low. We are in sport mode. We got the G meter. Oh yeah. The handling is stellar. There's plenty of pull from this engine. Road noise is minimal. We can just hear the wind noise a little bit. But for a car of this class, it is very refined and quiet in here. Which is surprising for this kind of car class. The sound of the Civic. The brakes are excellent. I just love the way it rides. the blind spot warning system built in. Civic has excellent stability. Plenty of torque down below. Steering wheel has good leather on it, excellent feel. Well, to summarize this test drive. I've really enjoyed driving this Civic Si. I think it's got excellent power, great seats, love the ride, good cabin materials for the money, and it really puts a smile on your face. It may not be the fastest car in its class, and it doesn't need to be. It's not the point. The point is that this car can give you emotions, and it's quick, it's predictable, it's got excellent steering, great balancing. It drives more like a German car rather than a Japanese car. It's easy to roll gears. This would actually be a great car for a beginner driver learning stick. You gotta actually try hard to stall this car. it allows you to fix your mistakes when driving. I'd say a tune, like a K-tuner or a Honda tune. I think this would be just phenomenal. Not saying that there's not enough power for me. There's more than enough power, personally, for me in this car. But for all those who do want some more power, they can get it.